Good morning, good afternoon or good evening, wherever you might be watching. I was recently holding a class in advanced PowerPoint subjects to a group of sales executives. One of the questions that was asked was, how can I put a YouTube video into a PowerPoint presentation so that that video could be demonstrated via PowerPoint to a group of salespeople in a sales meeting? So I suggested that this was the way to do it. First of all, I had to see the Developer tab up here in the PowerPoint program. If you don't see the Developer tab, and by default you will not see it, however, if you click on File and then go down to Options, the Options window will pop up here, and you need to click on Customize Ribbon and then put a tick in Developer. And when you put a tick in Developer and click OK, there you will see the Developer tab will appear in the ribbon. So the Developer tab, when I click on it, in the Controls group has a little button here. It looks like a little hammer and sickle, and this is the one that we use to create an area on our slide shortly in which the video will appear. But before I do that, I'm going to go to the Home tab and change the layout of this slide just for appearance sake and make it a title only slide. And here in the click to add title, I'm going to type Tai Chi demonstration, because one of my videos is of a very lovely Chinese lady demonstrating her Tai Chi moves in the suburb of Eastwood of Sydney. That's where I live. So no problem there. Now I go back to the Developer tab and click the little button here, and after a very short time you'll see a panel will appear on the screen there, and I need to go down to the S's for Shockwave Flash Object, and when I click on Shockwave Flash Object and then click OK, I can draw a little area on my screen here as big as I need it to actually show the video. Now after I draw that area, you'll notice that after a very short time again that an area appears. It looks like an envelope. However, what I want to do is to right click there, and from the menu I now choose Properties, and what I'm going to do is to look for the Movie property and click in that area there just to the right of Movie. What I want to do now, quite simply, is to go to the video that I want to put into PowerPoint, and I'll see up here in the address bar that the address of that video, at the moment it's showing those Goldern ads. I'm going to right click there and copy. Then I'll go back to PowerPoint, right click in the movie line and paste. But now I have a very important task to perform, in that I need to remove the word watch and the question mark that follows the word. So I'm going to delete that, and the next step is wherever I see an equal sign in the URL, in the address, I need to get rid of that and replace it with a /. So now I'm just about ready to go. I can close that panel. I've made my editing there, and now if I run the slideshow from the beginning, this is what will happen. Very shortly I'll see a play button, and all I need to do now is to click on the play button, and your computer will then look for that URL for the address and start playing the video. So that's all we need to do. It's really quite simple, nothing difficult about it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we also happen to like likes and comments. Thanks guys.